Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to create classes and object in Python. To create a class inside Python, you have to precede the class with the keyword class, followed by name of the class and followed by a semicolon. After this, you will have indentation and you will have statement inside the class. Here, we have a special method, a dunder method in it, which will be called when the object of this class is created. Inside this method, you have self parameter. Every method inside the class contains this parameter called as self, which contains address of the object or reference of the object which has called the method of the class. If you have a variable inside the class, you have to pass that many number of parameters to initialize or store the information in the variable. Here for class employee, we have three variable: name, age and basic salary. Therefore, we have three additional parameter in the init method as name, age and basic salary. We will initialize the variable of the class self.name will be initialized by name parameter. Similarly, self.age will be initialized with the age parameter and self.basic salary will be initialized with the basic salary parameter. Self.bs is equal to bs. So we have initialized the variable of the class. Now we have to write one more operation of the class which will be used to display the information of this variable. So we are writing second operation or method of the class, which is display. This method only contains one argument called as self. This self will store the object which has called this method, address of the object which has called this method. Now this self contain name, age and basic salary. So we are printing the information, print self dot name, self dot age, where dot is a member access operator which is assessing the attributes name, age and self dot basic salary. Up till here we have created a class employee having three variables and two member function. First member function is init, which will be called automatically when the object is created, and display, which will display the information. Only prototype of this class is created. Object or memory allocation for this class is not done. When you create the object of the class or instance of the class, you allocate the memory and then the storage of the information or state of the object can be seen. So for creating the object of the class, you have to give object name. Suppose we are creating first object, so name of the object is E1. Give the name of the class. Here we have class employee followed by opening and closing parentheses, and pass the parameters which are required to initialize the variable of the class. Here we require three parameters. First is name, second is age, third is basic salary. Ashwin age 25, salary 25,000. Here even object is created. If you want to assess the members of the class or variable of the class, then you can use dot member SS operator, E1 dot name. You can see name is Ashwin, even dot age, you can see age is 25, and even dot basic salary is 25,000. If you want to alter any attribute, you access the attribute even dot basic salary of the class and assign it a new value. Suppose instead of 25,000 we have to assign a value 40,000, so even that for the object attribute will be updated. If you want to see the updated information, again you can print even dot basic salary, and now you can see for the object even basic salary is 14,000. We have assessed the members of the class name, age and basic salary. We want to assess the method of the class or function available inside the class. Init method is called when the object is created and it is called only once. We can call display method multiple number of times. So via the object even, we are calling display method. It will show the information. Escape A, you can call it any number of times. Even dot display, again it will display the same information which is stored inside the class. If you want to create multiple object or multiple instance of the class, then you have to give the object name is equal to name of the class employee, and you have to provide the parameters which arguments which will be stored in the parameter and initialize the variable of the class. For example, here you will have Rajesh, age 56, okay, 50, and salary is 1 lakh. You can create another object E3, name of the class employee, and here you will have Suresh, employee, age will be 45, salary is 50,000. You can check the type of object E2. Type of E2 will be employee. Similarly, type of E3 will also be employee. If you want to display the information of E2 and E3, then you will call E2 display function, which will display the information regarding E2 D, and you can call E3's display function, which will display the information regarding E3. So in this video we have seen how to create classes and object in Python. We have also seen special method under method init. We have also seen a self parameter and dot member access operator. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.